Hey guys, welcome back to Gadgets Daily. Today's video is all about Samsung Galaxy Z6, so don't skip the video and watch till last. Guys, Samsung has played a pivotal role in mainstreaming foldable smartphones, with its Galaxy Fold series leading the pack. However, recent years have seen a slowdown in Samsung's pace of innovation, allowing Chinese competitors to catch up and even surpass its offerings. With the impending launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung must implement significant changes to maintain its dominance in the market. Leaks and rumors surrounding the Galaxy Z Fold 6 suggest substantial upgrades compared to its predecessor, particularly in design and specifications. While Samsung has maintained a consistent design language for its foldables, there are hints of a new aspect ratio for the outer display, aiming to enhance usability. Reports also suggest the inclusion of brighter and more efficient display panels, alongside an improved hinge similar to the one introduced in the Z Fold 5. In terms of performance, the Z Fold 6 is expected to feature top-of-the-line hardware, including a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, ample RAM, and a large battery. On the software front, Samsung's One UI is anticipated to offer enhanced multitasking features tailored for the foldable form factor. However, camera upgrades might be limited, with rumors indicating the retention of the primary sensor from the Z Fold 5. As for pricing and availability, Samsung could potentially launch the Z Fold 6 series earlier than previous iterations, with a speculated July unveiling and subsequent release. Pricing remains uncertain, especially as Samsung introduces multiple models, but expectations range from a budget-friendly option to a more premium Ultra variant. Overall, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 represents Samsung's opportunity to regain its edge in the competitive foldable market.